Today we are going to review how to complete step number 1 of the transcript request instructions for post-high school applications. Step number 1, complete the transcript release permission form. This is a Google form that can be found on the high school counseling website under Forms. This form must be completed prior to submitting the first request for a transcript. So let's take a look at the transcript release permission form. The transcript release permission form, again, must be completed prior to requesting your first transcript. And just a reminder, the counseling office will begin accepting transcript requests on the first student day of the school year. So let's get started in filling out this form. First, enter your last name, followed by your first name, your advisory section, your date of birth, the next section is an acknowledgement section, and you click on the box and check it off after reading and acknowledging each one. Number 1, that you give Haverford High School permission to release your academic records. This includes your official transcript and your senior year schedule. Next, that you will send your official admission testing scores to each school that you are applying to via College Board or ACT. That you will follow the transcript request instructions for post-high school applications and the methods of transcript delivery instructions. That you understand that the 15 school day timeline initiates with the completion of the transcript request page in Naviance. That you understand that if you are requesting a counselor letter of recommendation, that you are required to complete the post-high school planning reflection and activities record 2019 in Naviance. That you understand if you are requesting a counselor letter of recommendation, that it would be helpful if a parent or guardian completed the parent information sheet in Naviance. And that you understand that you are waiving your right to read any recommendations submitted on your behalf. After checking those boxes, we'd like you to type in your name, and printing your name here serves as your electronic signature. If you are under 18, we also ask that a parent print their full name, and by printing their full name, that serves as their electronic signature. And last, the date in which you complete this form. And then hit the submit button. And now you've walked through the process of completing the transcript release permission form.